Good evening, everyone, and thanks for logging on to your Aggieland Carpet One forecast. We had a pretty active start to the afternoon with some showers and thunderstorms and even a tornado-warned storm in the far northern parts of our viewing area, but things are pretty quiet right now across the Brazos Valley. Different picture, though, across much of the Lone Star State. With passing rain here, there are some very strong thunderstorms rolling through the DFW Metroplex, a couple of ongoing tornado warnings, and then blizzard-like conditions about to affect portions of the Panhandle and into West Texas. So here again, temperatures right now are in the mid to upper 70s, and it's pretty calm out there, but it is very warm. 77 your temperature in Navasota and in Brenham. It's 76 in Hempstead and Belleville. We're really not going to get a whole lot much cooler tonight thanks to a whole lot of humidity and cloud cover and some heavy winds. South winds right now anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour. There is a wind advisory in effect through about 8 o'clock. Might see that extended into the overnight hours. Either way, it is going to be breezy through the entire night. So let's take a look at what we have going on again across the entire state. There's multiple warnings and watches and advisories. And for us, we're going to be waiting until tomorrow for a better chance of severe weather. So going all the way through the night, scattered rain, even a couple of thunderstorms will be possible, but really about 5 a.m. and then through the afternoon hours is when we'll be looking at our chance for some severe weather and then some much colder conditions after that. So here's a look at about 6 a.m. and then going through the afternoon hours, you see a line of thunderstorms likely to move through sometime in the late morning, early afternoon hours for us, and then things get quiet and a whole lot colder. So let's take a closer look at that in your PinPoint forecast. This is a look at about 1 a.m. tonight. Scattered rain, definitely a possibility, shouldn't be of too much consequence, but as we get a little bit closer to sunrise on Sunday, that's when we can start being impacted by some stronger thunderstorms as that cold front gets a little bit closer to us. Now, this time could fluctuate a couple hours or so keep that in mind, but here's a look at about 8 a.m. Likely that we could see some thunderstorms, and some of these could be on the strong side. Main threat with this is going to be damaging winds and some heavy rainfall, but we can't rule out a couple isolated tornadoes too. There's the mid to late morning hours and then pushing on into the early afternoon. By late afternoon, most of us should be in the clear. We'll be looking at much cooler conditions, maybe a few lingering showers, and then we will see some clearing skies going into our Monday morning. So time frame for that, again, about 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. tomorrow. The main concerns with damaging winds, and there is a chance we could see a couple of tornado-warned storms too. Hail threat is going to be low. In fact, heavy rain will be a bigger threat than that. Going into tonight, low of about 71 degrees. 74 tomorrow by about 8 or 9 a.m. We'll get to that temperature, and then we will certainly drop after that. So we'll see temperatures dip down into the mid to upper 30s by Sunday night going into Monday morning. Couple of showers will be possible early Monday morning. After that, though, you don't see a high temperature get over about 55 degrees all the way through the end of the year and to start 2016.